Hello, my name is Sri Vaishnavi. The title of my project is the Piezoelectric Smart Tiles Converting Footsteps into Electricity. This project comes under the green energy sub-theme. So, these are called as piezoelectric sensors. When the mechanical pressure is applied, its internal crystal structure slightly changes and it produces electricity. You can see. The same piezoelectric sensors we use beneath these tiles. So, when someone walks or steps on these tiles, pressure is applied to the sensors and it generates electricity. It can generate up to 10 volts. The generated electricity is in the form of alternating current, and we have connected a rectified circuit to convert it into direct current. And here we have stored the generated electricity in a battery. And next we are having a smart house with a smart roof. Here rain applies pressure on the sensors like this. Rain applies pressure on the sensors like this, so it creates a potential difference and it generates electricity which we can use it for the house. And up next we are having a smart shoe which we have kept the sensors inside this shoe. When you wear these shoes and walk, you will become fit. At the same time, electricity will be generated. Thank you.
Can you tell the materials, what are the materials for the materials chosen step by step? Show and tell.
Piezoelectric sensors.
This is the main device.
This is the main device.
Then other devices, connected device and all that. And step by step, show me things.
Okay.
Just not to remove. Bring your finger and show.
These are the main things called as the piezoelectric sensors, and these are the wires which we use to connect. And we have connected it to a LED light and a digital multimeter to measure the potential difference. And we are storing it in a battery. And that's it. Rectifier circuit.
So it is going to convert the
AC to DC. Springfield High School. I get it. సార్ ఇప్పుడు మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది పబ్లిక్ నడిచినప్పుడు జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. అది అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువ వేస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో నేనేం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఈ వేస్ట్ అయిపోయిన మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీని ఎట్లా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు